Want to know how to install Money Manager app on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily install Money Manager application so you can use it. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, since we are installing on our Android device, just simply open up your Play Store, and once you've opened it up, on the bottom you should be seeing this search bar, just simply like that. And here you can just simply search for any apps and games. So just simply select and search for the Money Manager app. So as you can see right here, this is the Money Manager icon. You can just simply select that. It's from RealByte. Now you can scroll down and see its app features, scroll, see reviews, what are the latest updates, and etc. So now once everything is done, just simply select install right here. And now your Money Manager should install successfully. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily install Money Manager on your Android. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.